Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As mentioned, we will be going through the trades that I had a trade idea for last week, which was on starting from the 13th of Jan to the 19th of Jan. We're going to run through gold. I had a trade idea for gold, as you guys can see, from the 6th of Jan to the 12th of Jan. This was last week's analysis. I did mention, look at this, 11th of 12th, stagflation concept, even more evident now, so happy to trade long if setup presents, especially with COT reporting. So I was ready to trade gold. I backed up, and it was a good reason to back up, because why? I was focused on this whole concept of stagflation and the inflation readings, but I was not even regarding, if we go on US data, if we full screen this, I was just focused on this reading here. Look at that, economic reading was bullish. These manufacturing and services PMIs indexes were bullish overall. Labor market was bullish overall. So how is that a stagflation concept? I was so focused on the inflation being high, whereas all these other readings indicate risk off environment, indicate USD doing well, or the US economy doing well. So when I sat back, saw this fundamental analysis and data, I put off that original trade idea, and I'm happy for it, even with the trade working. So what I mean by that, guys, is let's go onto the charts and let's pop it back in for the 13th, which was the Monday, right? Okay, so pretty much the week started like this. I had an idea that gold was bullish and I was going to trade it long because of COT reporting and that whole stagflation concept, which was very loosely tied in. There wasn't an element of stagflation at all. So let's pop in the next couple candles. Now this was on the, mind you guys, this is Monday, Tuesday. This was Sydney time. We touched that zone and I marked up that zone. If you guys watched my fundamental analysis video, I did mark that zone. It's touched the zone. We see a bullish candle there, comes up, right? Retests that zone, and then slight engulfing. So if I wanted to, I could have entered at this candle here, right? Because from a fundamental sense, I tick the boxes. From a technical sense, this would have ticked my rules. Okay. Okay. And we end the week there. So if it was from my rules, I would have moved stop loss probably under here. So we would have been in a nice trade, 0.73-ish%, maxed up at 2.5. This is a winning trade, but it's not in my rules. The fundamental backing wasn't there, which is one part of my trading plan. So even though I could have made money on this trade currently, I would have been sitting in profit. I'm very, very happy I didn't take this trade because it didn't fulfill my rules. It didn't fulfill my fundamental rules. And for that, I'm going to pat myself on the back. So that's trade number one. This was a good trade I didn't take. Trade number two, let's go on to the next video and I'll show you a trade on US 30 that I should have actually taken. Alrighty, so let's go on US 30 now and let's do the same thing on US 30. So I'll chart replay it to Monday, which is Sydney time. All right. Because Saturday, so this ends the trading week there. That's the end of the trading week. Now, let's do the same thing, guys. Go back on my original end of the week on the 13th of Jan. We have bullish economic reading, manufacturing and services reading, labor market reading. Everything's bullish on USD, which means that pretty much that they're doing well, right? The only thing that I was focused on was this whole inflation being sticky, and that prevented me from entering that trade, which was not good at all, because if you guys can see, Dow Jones overall bullish. This is a very nice support zone here. We start on the Monday, bar replay, next, 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 Monday, mind you, Monday, right guys? Beautiful entry signal. Beautiful entry signal here. Right. We squeeze out here. We have the lows here, which we'll cover. So that is actually a trade I should have been in. I should have been in this trade. Everything from a fundamental point of view, from a technical point of view, said to go in. And I was only just focused on that one aspect of that fundamental news, which was inflation reading, that I forgot about everything else. I chucked everything else out. Now, mind you guys, US 30 COT reporting wasn't the best. It was bearish, but I should have been in this trade. So if we skip it towards the end of the week, this would be until the 19th. You guys can see it has gone up 2.75%. I would have trailed my stop here. I would have been in profit 1.35% essentially. I should be in profit 1.35%. So missed that trade, missed that boat. It is what it is, guys. Take the L, take it as a learning. Take it for learning, and I'm going to use this to better my trading essentially. So those were the two trades. I didn't take any of them. They're both profitable trades, both running. If we combine the top RI, they would have been around a 4% trade at its peak. But like I said, it is what it is. We'll move on to the next one. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. A little breakdown, a little mental battle, mental rehearsal. I'll catch you guys on the next fundamental analysis video. I might even record another video while we're at it. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.